Good morning and welcome back to Before the Noise with TJ. And today's question of the day: what word comes to mind when you hear the name Jesus? Comment below. So today we're going to start off talking about a storm. No, not the storm that's going on outside, but a spiritual storm. Now, some ignore it, some panic, some prepare for it, but no one controls it. When we read in Matthew chapter 7, verse 25, the rain came down, the streams rose, and the winds blew and beat against that house. Yet it did not fall, because it had its foundation on the rock. Storms, they don't show what we believe. Storms reveal what we're standing on. Now, what we have to realize is God doesn't want us to go into the storm alone. He's telling us, let me take on the storm. Faith doesn't cancel the storm for us. We're in spiritual battles daily. And in Ephesians chapter 6, verse 12, for our struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the rulers, against the authorities, against the powers of this dark world, and against the spiritual forces of evil in the heavenly realms. Faith doesn't cancel pressure, resistance, or struggle. It helps us push through the storms with a guidance that we can't have ourselves. When we look at the Old Testament, there's a story about Joseph. In Genesis chapter 41, verse 48, Joseph collected all the food produced in those 7 years of abundance in Egypt and stored it in the cities. In each city, he put food grown in the fields surrounding it. Joseph was told by God about this famine. And what did he do? He prepared for years. Preparation always happens before the storm. You can't prepare while the storm is going on. You don't build on the foundation when everything around you is collapsing. You discover if you've been building it all along when that storm hits. Right now, start building that house on the foundation. And the foundation is Christ. He's the rock. In Matthew chapter 8, verse 25, the disciples went and woke him, saying, Lord, save us. We're going to drown. Jesus didn't panic. He didn't jump ship. He didn't shame them. Didn't make them feel bad. He replied, you of little faith, why are you so afraid? Then he got up and rebuked the winds and the waves, and it was completely calm. Storms may shake you, but they don't remove God. The same God that was with Joseph, it's the same God that's with you now. See, the God that stopped that storm, the same God that is with you now. You cannot control the storm, but what you can control is the foundation that you build on right now. Don't fear the storm. Build faith on the rock. And the name of that rock is Jesus Christ. So today, while you're sitting inside, while you have some time, get into the Word, study who He is, give Him your time, put Jesus first today, and realign your plans for tomorrow. Have a great day, and we'll catch you tomorrow.